Welcome to watch these further on demonstrations for the Content Sync tool. Let's continue basically showing how we can do the same thing with the Raspberry Pi. I'm running on my own little box close to my TV, and you just have to believe based on the SSH connection that we are running actually on the Pi. I'll make a folder for the demonstrations, and we'll grab the release from the GitHub in this case. So I'll grab the latest one. Copy link. Then let's see, for some reason I get it twice. Let's purify it a bit. Now it's there just once. Let's try again. Now it's again multiple times. Odd. Now it's just once. Good. So we get it. Takes a while. And basically let's do the same thing that we did with the Windows version. Here we have the Content Sync tool. In this case we have to prefix it with the mono because that's the, and let's check actually the mono version we have. It's for Raspberry Pi. One needs to compile the mono or set it up a bit time-consuming way, because building the mono itself takes, depending on the overclock settings, somewhere around between 6 to 12 hours. I'm working on getting native build to run, but for now, for current hacking, it requires running mono as a build version. And now we just lost the terminal. There it is. With the Pi, it sometimes takes a bit to work. So anyway, we have the same content syncing tool to here. We shouldn't have any of my testing connections before. It's a bit slower, or quite a bit slower than the Windows, but the same functionality is in here. So let's make a create connection from the Pi as well. Host will be dev the ball me, connection name Raspberry Pi demo. Let's get it a bit shorter, we have to keep writing it, demo, and group ID will be the same than before. And now I'll actually leave that parameter out and see, yeah, we got it only once, like that. This will take quite a while longer. Still, I would say seconds rather than tens of seconds, but it takes a while. And once it's done, well, the negotiation wasn't that much longer when it got done with the other parts. Same thing that we need to validate it. I'll show now from the devices. Let me actually refresh this part. It should show the device connections now, including the AirPi demo. Yeah, this is what we had on the previous video. This is now the AirPi demo, which is not validated before we go to the mail. So I check out the spam. Here we have it. Let's toggle it as not spam. Go to inbox and validate the connection. So connection from tool with name AirPi demo, and we trust it, yes. Now go back to the devices. AirPi demo is validated as well. So let's do something a bit more. Let's create the staging folder and mono content sync tool X set staging. So I attach that stage folder I just created. I have the same Aldo Global Impact OIP as a data filter, and my connection name will be AirPi demo. And then I try the stage up command. AirPi demo, get data, and then I already include the boot dev, although it won't do anything because there is no dev folder in the staging part. I'll just confirm that it's getting the data okay. It's a tad bit slower, although the MD5 calculations on the Pi are that slow still. But all in all, just running the mono takes a while. Okay, so we got the data. Let's see what our staging folder looks like. It has the folder as it's supposed to be. I'll make a new one. Stage dev first AirPi folder in here. And then let's make some kind of hello from AirPi. Hello from Raspberry Pi. And I save the file. And then let's run the staging with the boot dev again. There it is. It uploaded the hello from AirPi. Let's go from the storage view, the blob storage, to verify that we indeed have first AirPi folder here and hello from AirPi. And I'll confirm also from this side dev, how was it spelled? First AirPi and hello from AirPi.txt, and we can get to the browser as well the hello from Raspberry Pi. So for now we've just demonstrated the file syncs in both ways. Further on I'll introduce the device connectability library through other development perspectives, and then once we get a demo for the web app building around this, it starts to kind of build up how only file syncing can be very powerful across the devices.